Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 and let me share with you how to reset the preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll to find apps and services. Then let's tap on apps and pick 4 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on Reset the Preferences, and as you can see, your device will right now inform you what it will actually reset, and among others it will be disabled apps and background data restrictions for apps and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset, and basically this is it. This is how to reset the preferences in this HUAWEI device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.